Welcome to our humble integrative activity, and today we are going to show you everything we saw in this part of the semester, that is the computer system and special basic tasks of Windows 7 and the operative system. I hope you enjoy our video. We are team number 1. A computer system is the one composed by a hardware, the physical components that interact through a set of established instructions, software, to reach an objective. The language that can only read the computer is the machine language. Hardware is a chain of components of physical devices that intervene in a computer system. The input devices are the ones from which information is introduced to the computer to be processed or transformed, and the output devices are the ones that show to the user the data previously transformed or processed. The storage devices are the main memory that acts directly with the CPU in all the input and output operations. The ROM, read-only memory, it's a permanent memory, and once the data has been written there, it cannot be changed. The secondary memory saves programs and data in a permanent way. Examples of these ones are the USB, the CD, and the DVD. And the unit to measure the storage capacity is the byte. The processing devices. The CPU, Central Process Unit, is considered the brain of the computer. The Central Process Unit is housed in one single chip called microprocessor. The unit to measure the processing velocity is the hertz. The system software administrates and controls the operation of the hardware, and the application software permits to execute specific tasks from the user. Operative system. The most important program of a computer. The functions of the operative system are: interprets and executes instructions through interface, optimizes communication between input and output devices, coordinates the processing of tasks. It provides diagnostic errors of the basic part of the computer. It serves as a connection to run the application software. The classification of the operative system are: multi-user, it permits two or more users to execute programs at the same time. Multitask, it permits to execute two or more programs or applications at the same time. Multiprocessing, means of multiprocessing that have more than one processor which operates in the same memory but executes simultaneously processed. Types of interface. The types of interface are: the command line interface, in which one the operative system provides a command line in which the user introduces the instructions or commands formed by characters, and the graphical interface. The execution of commands and programs is achieved by selecting figures or icons that represent them. Windows 7, operative system that dominates the market of computers. Desktop. The desktop is divided in desktop, mouse pointer, icons, and taskbar. Some icons you may find is the shortcuts, representative icons of an application, file, the group of data or information identified by a name, and the folder, the icon that contains one or many files and or folders. In the right pane of the jump list, we can find the user, the documents, images, music, computer, control pane, printers and faxes, set program access and default, and help and support. The Action Center permits the user to see the alerts and perform the necessary actions so Windows 7 can work without problems, and the Backup and Restore permits you to create backups of the personal files that you consider the most important. Security in the computer equipment. The firewall is a system of defense blocking or allowing the passage of information from Internet, presents that hackers have access to the computer equipment. And the antivirus prevents, detects, and performs pertinent actions to delete or remove malwares. Another one of the basic tasks of Windows 7 are the edition options that are copy, paste, rename, cut, and delete, the recycle bin, and how to create a folder. and Windows 7 has the jump list and the access and creation of libraries. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know, well, the song is Love is on the Radio from McFly. Have a nice day. Goodbye.